Welcome, dear one. Wherever you are, this is your time to pause, to breathe, and to come home to yourself. Sit comfortably, cross-legged, or on a cushion. Rest your hands softly on your knees or over your heart. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale calm. Exhale everything you've been holding. Feel the ground supporting you. You are safe. You are present. If shoulders lift toward your ears, gently relax them down. Let the breath flow naturally. Let's move gently now. Come onto your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you inhale, arch your spine. Let your heart open forward to assume cow pose. And as you exhale, round your back, tuck your chin to assume the cat pose. Keep flowing, matching movement to breath. Inhale to open the chest, and exhale to release and soften. Breath clears a little more space inside you. Try not to collapse into your shoulders, press the floor away, and stay light through your hands. Now bring your big toes to touch, knees apart, and gently sink your hips back to your heels. Arms stretch forward or rest by your sides, whichever feels softer today. Rest your forehead on the mat. Feel your breath move into your belly. Feel it expand against your thighs. And with every exhale, imagine the weight of the day melting away. You are supported. You are safe to rest here. If your hips or knees feel tight, slide a cushion underneath you. Comfort first. Slowly come up to stand. Take a deep breath. Reach your arms overhead. Exhale and fold forward, letting your head hang heavy, knees soft. Inhale, lift halfway and lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold again. Release everything down. Feel your back of the neck relax. Feel gravity holding you. If it feels right, sway gently side to side, loosening the last bits of tension. No need to force the stretch. Keep a bend in the knees and let the head and arms be completely heavy. Now come to a wall or a sturdy surface nearby. Sit close, then gently lie back and sweep your legs up the wall. Let your arms rest by your sides, palms open. Close your eyes. With each inhale, imagine drawing in peace. With each exhale, let go of everything you can't control. Your breath is the bridge between body and mind, slow and steady. If your hips feel far from the wall, shuffle a little closer. Find the sweet spot where your lower back feels easy. Gently bend your knees, roll to one side, and rest for a moment. When you're ready, lie flat to assume Savasana pose. Let your legs fall open, arms relaxed. Soften your face, your jaw, your shoulders. Whisper to yourself, I am safe, I am calm, I am here. Stay with the silence for just a few breaths. Then slowly open your eyes. Bring your palms together at your heart.